Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. Just the other day, I came across Crypto.com's Supercharger. And yes, I didn't realize this thing existed because of how hidden it was. In the app, you need to tap on the middle button, then you will only see Supercharger all the way down there, right beside the earn function. When I first saw it, my first reaction was, Supercharger? What is it? Can Supercharger make me what big? In the end, I decided to try it out. For research purpose, of course. So, in this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about Supercharger. What is it? How much did I earn from it? Is it better than the earn function? Then, I will also share all the other ways that you can earn interest on your CRO crypto. But before I start, I would greatly appreciate it if you can help to tap the like button. In return, I will show you a happy deal. Alright, let's start right now. Okay, first up, what is Supercharger? Can it earn? In short, Supercharger lets you stake your CRO crypto to earn some interest. Then you'll be like, Crypto earn also lets you earn interest what? It's same but different. In Crypto earn, you will earn interest depending on how long you stake your cryptos for. For example, if you stake Ethereum for 3 months, you can earn 5.5% interest. Or if you stake Bitcoin for 1 month, you can earn 3% interest. And the interest is paid in kind, meaning if you stake Bitcoin, you earn Bitcoin. You stake Dogecoin, you earn Dogecoin. So that's Crypto earn. But for Supercharger, it's a bit different. In Supercharger, you can only stake CRO cryptos, and you will earn different cryptos depending on which event you are in. For example, right now, this event gives Luna crypto. In the past, they gave ETH, HBAR, STN, and so on. Then you see this countdown thing? For every event, there's a 45 days charging period and 45 days reward period. Then you'll be like, wow, why like so complicated one? Okay lah, it's not that complicated. Let me explain. For every event, there's a different total amount that you can earn. For example, in this Luna event, they allocate a total of $1 million worth of Luna. Or previously, they allocated a total of $2 million worth of Shiba Inus. But of course, you won't earn all of that $2 million lah. That will make you an instant millionaire. Instead, during this 45 days charging period, you can stake or withdraw your CRO crypto, and they will calculate your share. So, for example, if 10 people stake on the first day, then the reward will be distributed according to their shares. Or if you just take 2 days, then withdraw, can, no problem. You will only get 2 days worth of reward lor. So simple. So that's charging period. After the charging period, you will enter the 45 days reward period. So instead of giving you your reward immediately, they will split your reward over 45 days, then give you a bit every day. For example, imagine you earn 100 Bitcoin during this charging period. Imagine only you didn't earn that much. Then they take 100 Bitcoin divided by 45 days. So you will get about 2.22 Bitcoin per day. So that's basically Supercharger. You stake your CRO crypto, then you earn a percentage of the reward. Okay, here's an important question. Can Supercharger make me what big? Or is it worth it to use? Check this out. I was trying out Supercharger during the ETH event, when the charging period started on November 21 and ended on January 5th. During this period, I've staked on different days on December 12, December 16, December 31st, and January 4. The total I've staked is about 11.8k CRO or about USD 5.5k worth of CRO. And after the charging period, my total reward comes out to be a godlike 0.00147 Ethereum or about USD 470, which is, it ain't much, but it's honest work. But let's calculate how much I would have earned if I just stake it in Crypto earn. Assuming that I'm just using the flexible term, I will earn a super low 2% interest. If I use the same amount of CRO and stake on the same days, after some primary school math calculation, I realized that I would have earned $5.49 if I had just used the Crypto earn feature, which is slightly higher than the $4.70 that I've gotten from Supercharger. Because of this, I feel that the Supercharger is not worth it. Here's why. If you check the current pool size, there's a total of 950 million CRO staked for this event. The more CROs are staked, the lower your rewards will be. That's why my rewards are super low. On top of that, the reward is given out over 45 days. So I'll be waiting long to get all my rewards. On the other hand, Crypto earns super low 2% interest, already beaten the Supercharger. And their interest is paid out every 7 days. Much fast, such speed. I also went to search Reddit to see what everyone else thinks of Supercharger because many people were asking the same thing. But unfortunately, most of the answers I gotten were the same. Not worth it, not really worth it. Supercharger is underwhelming. So I can safely say that in most cases, Supercharger won't be able to give you the returns that you are looking for. Like on the website, they say that up to 35.8%. The keyword here is up to. You definitely won't be able to get that much. Then how? My CRO will sit there and do nothing like a lazy bum bum lor? No lah, I will now share with you a few better ways that you can earn interest on your CROs. The first way is the crypto earn feature. The good thing is you can choose how long you want to lock your CROs for. For example, if you don't want to lock it, you will earn a 2% interest. Or if you lock for 3 months, you can earn 6%. However, the downside is you have to stake 5,000 CROs or about 3.2k SGD. The next method is staking your CRO for the CRO card. I've reviewed this card in a video, which you can check it out here if you are interested. But this method is slightly harder to do. Here's why. There are altogether 5 tiers. Depending on which card you will get different rewards. Like the lowest tier will give you 1% cashback. The Royal Indigo Jet Green tier will give you 3% cashback, free Spotify and free Netflix. To get any of the cards, you will need to stake your CRO for 6 months. For example, if you stake 5,000 SGD worth of CRO, you can get the Royal Indigo and Jet Green card. However, here's the thing, not all tiers will give you interest on your staked CROs. The Royal Indigo and Jet Green tier will earn 10% interest, higher tiers will earn 12% interest. The lower tiers, oh sorry lor, no interest for you guys. This means you need to stake at least 5,000 SGD and onwards if you want to earn any interest. Finally, for the third method, Crypto.com DeFi wallet. So, just in case you didn't realize it, Crypto.com also has a DeFi wallet, but you won't be able to find it on their website. And if you try to access it through the Google search result, they will throw you back to the main page to see Matt Damon talking to you. That's how hidden it is. But you'll be able to find the DeFi wallet on the App Store. If you check the app, you will see that it gives you up to 12.5% interest for CRO. And by the way, this 12.5% is not fake news, it's real. You just need to choose the correct staking pool to get that 12.5%. However, here's a downside to using this method. If you decide to unstake, you will need to wait for 28 days to get back your crypto. But other than that, there's not much downside to using this method. Okay, now let me summarize all the ways that you can stake your CROs. There are altogether 4 ways. First is the Supercharger. This method will give you super duper low rates, but the benefit is there's no lock period and there's no minimum you need to stake. So only use this method if you have very little CRO and you want to paper hands and sell anytime. But at the same time, you still want to earn a few dollars on your CROs to buy your chai fan. For the earn feature, depending on how long you stake your CRO, you'll get different interest up to 6%. However, this method needs you to stake at least 5,000 CRO or SGD 3.2k, which is a lot. This method is good if you want to sell anytime and still earn that 2% interest. Third method, you can stake your CROs to get the Indigo and Jet Green card. Then you will get 10% interest. Your CROs will be locked for 6 months. But you will get additional benefits like 3% cashback, free Netflix, free Spotify, which are all super duper good. Finally, for DeFi wallet, the rates can change anytime, but as of right now, you will get 12.5% interest on your CROs. If you want to unstake, can, no problem. But you will need to wait for 28 days for it to unbond to get back your CRO. This method is good if you want to hold CRO for at least 28 days because the 12.5% interest is actually super duper high. So that was a quick review of Supercharger. Unless you have very specific reasons to use it, like short holding period and you have very little CRO, otherwise I feel it's not worth it to use because you can easily get higher interest elsewhere. But how are you earning interest on your CROs? Do let me know down below. Like, share and subscribe as I will be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.